Hey miner, hope you all doing well. So here I'm back on another video, and as you know that dual coin mining is taking a more power consume, a much efficiency, but this would be crazy in this video because we are talking about Dynex and Kyla. So in this before video you can see that the new video is about on Kylacoin, and this is the single coin mining, only the Kylacoin, that how you can mine Kylacoin on HiveOS using SRB Miner and Wizard Miner. Definitely you can check it out in this video, and also you can choose the Iron Fish and Dynex for the dual coin mining, and this getting a profit right now. However, it's not taking much profit, but it's good. So today in this video I'm going to talking about the Dynex and Kyla, and this video it's taking a too short video, so that's why I'm going to the main on my HiveOS account, and here we can see that I'm login on my HiveOS account, and in this before video I'm tested on KCN, and now we are going to talk about the dual coin mining. So we are going to the flight sheet. So in this here I make a flight sheet for you, and you can definitely check on it. For the short update I give you the edit, and in this area you can see that I'm using the first coin, and also I'm using the SRB miner in this section because KCN and DNX are getting a much hash rate than BZ, so I'm choosing the SRB miner. And in this here first coin I'm choosing the Dynex coin, and using the Dynex web wallet choose the Ecapool server and choose the US server from Ecapool and choose SRB miner. The dual coin mining is KCN, but in this here you can see that I'm creating the KCN web wallet, and this is the same. Just for trying I make a dual setup, but this is the KCN wallet, and you can see that when I selected the KCN wallet it's not taking. And what you need to do I'll just guide. So just for the dual coin mining I choose the mining pool for people server, and this is the mining pool stats, and this is the Kylacoin server pool, and this mpool.live is based on Europe server, so I'm choosing the mining pool for people.com, and this is the mining pool for.com for Kylacoin. And for Dynex coin I'm choosing the Ecapool server on the US server, you can see, and you can click on the Ecapool server, you get this website. On this getting started option you can choose the US server and also the Europe server. And one more thing is the new, that on this section you can get the config file, and this is for the, you can see for the when you start the Windows version for mining, so you can get configuration for copy and paste on your batch file, and this is good for, however it's on AMD and GPU NVIDIA cards, both are available on there. You can check it out and get it from there. So right now on flight sheet you can choose that just for the reference I'm using the US server for mining pool because there is no Indian server is available, and I'm not using the configure files. So if you are using the configure file you can definitely try on this server pool address however you are from, and also for the Dynex. So this is the end, and now for the dual coin mining just set up config file, click on, and the first coin you can see that the Dynex his hash algorithm is taken already as a default, and wallet is there, URL will also get, and worker name for the pass, and the extra config is the disable CPU malloc endpoint https dnxu ecapool.com. And for the overclock setting I said this overclock setting, the medium overclock setting I'm getting from the hashrate.no, you can definitely check on that. And this is for the Dynex, and for Kylacoin using. So here we can see that the core offset is the medium overclocks is 250 and the core locked core clocks is 14,070 and memory clocks is 800 and power limits is 150. However, on Dynex this is the power limit is 180 and the memory clocks is 5000 and core clocks and core offset is the same. So that's why I get this from there and try a different the core clocks. I setting the medium overclock setting from there, and core clocks memory clocks I am taking for this is for the both coins that can be applied. And for the memory clocks I set this 5000 for the Dynex, because if you are using the 810 then your hash rate for the Dynex coin is decreasing, and for this I set the memory clocked 5000 for the Dynex in there. And on core offset you can choose this as a 300, but what I said that I'm using the medium overclock setting for, so that's why I choose this one. And for the second coin I choose the sharp 3D for the Kylacoin, and on wallet section I'm pasted on the direct wallet in there. So I'm not choosing this wall section because Dynex wallet the Kyla wallet is not taking on the section. So that's why I choose and pasted my wallet address direct on there, and choose the worker name, pool is URL, X is pass, and the extra config is the disable CPU. We can get it from there. You can see disable CPU and apply on changes and update your miner. So you can do this another process in this here. So if you are choosing the KCN, so you can choose the KCN wallet, and now it's taking, but there is a new thing is waiting for you, just showing you that I'm choosing the US server SRB Miner is the same. And now if I choose the Dynex, and when I select the Dynex wallet, this is the same thing. So you need to same setting on there, just on configure miner and pull the extra config on there. And on second coin you have to choose Dynex solve, I think, yes, Dynex, and pull. You can paste it direct on your wallet address in there, and otherwise the same. So this is the overall setting. So now you have to choose your rigs, and on flat sheet section just run on your flat sheet. So this is the end for this video. I should a short update about that, the dual coin mining, about Dynex and the Kylacoin. So you can check it out. For the wallet is the Kylacoin. You can get the Kyla wallet in this video, or you can choose the exchange wallet address, no matter. And for the Dynex you can get it from there. So you definitely check on the two videos so you can get the wallet address from there, but you can choose the exchange wallet address also. And this is done right now in there. You can see that the wallet address is 2 are done in there, and the overclock setting I set in there. The GPU core clocks is 1470, the medium overclock setting, but you can choose the 1500 or 1545 to 75, however your GPU can takes. And the memory clocks is 5000 and core offset is 25 to 255, but you can definitely choose the 300 and 350. So that's it, and this is done for this video. I hope this video is going to be short. So if you are like this video, please give a thumbs and comment on below that what did you think about the dual coin mining on Kyla and Dynex. And if this is helpful, please subscribe to my channel to get more update about like this. So thanks for you guys, see you in the next one.